If you are a student studying in any college, or if you are a person looking for a good employment, or if you are a newly recruited employee of any company, this video is meant for you. The three important steps which I am going to discuss are very useful to everyone who is interested in learning English and who is interested in improving his English. So without wasting any more time, let us go to the topic. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also the bell icon. Jai Sriman Narayan. English plays an important role in getting you good employment and in taking you to higher positions in your job. Right from the day you attend the job interview to the day you reach the highest position in your career, it is your English talking ability which makes all the difference and which gives you a winning edge. Many people must have told you various tips to learn English. You have heard them, practiced them, but the result is not encouraging. If you understand and implement the three important steps which I am going to tell you, I am highly confident that you will make a substantial improvement in your English speaking ability. Step number 1. Observe the sentences while reading. Let us say you are reading an English newspaper or an English book. One way of reading is for the purpose of understanding the content. You can go on reading and try to understand it. But when you are reading for the purpose of learning English, your way of reading should be different. You have to spend little more time on each and every sentence and try to understand how the sentences are formed. Once you do that, you can make similar sentences by changing the verb, by changing the subject. Let us take some examples. While reading a book, you have found this particular sentence. Do you want to play tennis in the evening? Now let us try to make similar sentences. Do you want to play basketball tomorrow morning? Here we have changed the game and the time. Now let us change the verb. Do you want to eat something now? Do you want to drive the car today? Do you finish homework today? Like this, we can try to make various sentences of our own. Let us see another example. While reading a book, you have come across a sentence like this. When I was waiting at the railway station, I saw a beautiful girl. Let us try to make similar sentences. When I was eating my breakfast, I got a telephone call. When I was walking on the road, I found the sweet shop. Now let us see the third example. After attending the meeting, I came home. This is the sentence which is there in a book. Now let us try to make some more sentences. After eating my dinner, I went for walking. After taking bath, I went to temple. After reading the book, I understood the concept. Here I have taken simple sentences to make you understand the method. This method is useful to the beginners as well as to the people who would like to learn the advanced English. Normally, many of us are good in understanding when somebody speaks, but they can't speak again. This method helps you to come out of that problem. You can apply this method while reading a newspaper or while reading any English book. Sometimes it may take you more than 1 hour time for reading one page, but it is worth spending. You can also apply this method while watching any discussion on a social media platform. This is the most proven method and it gives you the best results. Step number 2, repeating what you have learned. This is the wonderful method. You have to implement it only after thoroughly practicing the first step. Let us say you are reading a book or a newspaper. After completing reading of one paragraph or one page, when you understand the content, close the book and try to repeat the sentences to yourself. You can repeat it in your own words or you can repeat the same sentences which are there in the book. In the first method, you will learn how to make sentences, but in the second method, you will be speaking 5 to 10 sentences at a time with a continuity in the content. Let us say you have read a news item on how the helicopter collapsed in the forest. After you complete the reading, you try to speak to yourself a few sentences narrating the incident. This will make a lot of improvement in your English speaking ability. You will also get familiarized with the new words related to the helicopter, the journey, the accident, the rescue operations, etc. Step number 3, talk to yourself. Unless you get into the swimming pool, you can't learn swimming. Similarly, unless you start speaking, you can't learn any language. Then whom to speak? When we are in the process of learning English, we feel shy of speaking to others. So the best method is speak to yourself. Speak to yourself on selected topics like happiness, health, problems of life. Try to frame a few sentences. Speak to yourself on the news item which you have read in the newspaper. Speak to yourself on the discussion which you watched in the television. Speak to yourself how you are going to reply your boss. In fact, speaking to oneself is the greatest technique of learning any language. You can use this technique of speak to yourself for answering thoroughly to the most commonly asked questions in the interviews, like, tell me about yourself. What are your achievements? What is your ambition in life? What was the happiest moment in your life? Where you want to see yourself in the company, etc. So finally, let us sum up. In the first step, we learn how to form sentences. In the second step, we learn how to repeat a few sentences together. And in the third step, we learn how to speak on selected topics and also on the questions which are most commonly asked in the interviews. This journey will certainly make you successful in improving your English speaking ability. So thank you very much. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to the channel Better Way of Life. Jai Sriman Narayan.